Hello there, and thank you so much for servicing with us. If you're receiving this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from resurfacing the rotors. When it comes to maintaining the safety and performance of your vehicle, attention to detail is crucial. One often overlooked aspect of vehicle maintenance is the resurfacing of brake rotors. This process is vital for ensuring that your braking system operates efficiently and safely. Here's why resurfacing rotors is an important part of vehicle maintenance. Let's first start by understanding what the brake rotors are. Brake rotors, also known as brake discs, are critical components to your vehicle's braking system. They work in conjunction with the brake pads to bring your vehicle to a stop. When you apply the brake, the pads clamp down on the rotors, creating the friction needed to slow down or stop the vehicle. Over time, the constant friction and pressure can cause the rotors to become uneven or worn, leading to a decrease in braking performance. Why resurfacing rotors matters. Restores smooth performance. As rotors wear down, they can become warped or grooved, leading to a rough braking experience. This can result in vibrations or noise when you apply the brakes. Resurfacing removes these imperfections, restoring a smooth surface that enhances the braking efficiency and reduces noise. Extends rotor life. Resurfacing is a cost-effective way to extend the life of your rotors, instead of replacing them entirely. Resurfacing can remove the surface damage and help the rotors last longer. This can save you money in the long run, as replacing rotors is typically more expensive than resurfacing. Prevents brake pad damage. Uneven or damaged rotors can cause premature wear on your brake pad. When the brake pad comes into contact with a rough surface, they can wear out faster, leading to more frequent replacement. By resurfacing the rotors, you ensure that your brake pads wear evenly and last longer. Maintain safety. Properly functioning rotors are essential for safe braking. Warped or uneven rotors can affect your vehicle's stopping distance and overall braking performance, potentially compromising your safety. Resurfacing helps ensure that your braking system operates as intended, keeping you and your passengers safe on the road. When to consider resurfacing your rotors. During a brake pad replacement, it's often recommended to resurface rotors when you replace your brake pads. This ensures a proper mating surface and optimal braking performance. If you experience vibration or noise. If you notice vibrations or noise when applying the brakes, it might be a sign that your rotors need to be resurfaced. And if your mechanic recommends during an inspection. Regular brake system inspections can help identify issues with your rotors before they become a more serious problem. During these inspections, a technician can determine if a resurfacing is necessary. Resurfacing brake rotors is a crucial maintenance task that can significantly impact your vehicle's performance and safety. By addressing issues with your rotors before they become more serious, you can ensure smooth braking, extended life of your brake components, and maintain overall vehicle safety. If you would like us to move ahead with the service, please let us know. And if you have any additional questions, please give us a call and we'd be happy to answer them. Thank you so much, and we're looking forward to speaking with you soon.